If you manage a sales team and every quarter you feel more stressful than the last one, target change, price rings, and despite of lots of efforts, your stability is never coming. As a mid-sales manager, we stand by between pressure from management, resistance from market, and expectations from the teams. Interestingly, this problem has been described thousands of years ago. And by the end of this video, you will see why that insight is still relevant inside modern management cycles. So decision clarity for sales leaders. The theme of this episode is Gita verse 2.53, stability of decision making. If you manage a sales team and every quarter feels unpredictable, targets fluctuate, margins collapse, pressure keeps increasing, the problem may not be your market, it may be decisions instability. Most sales leaders don't fail because teams are weak. They struggle because pressure slowly distorts judgment, और यही जगह है जहां लीडरशिप साइलेंटली टूटना शुरू करती है, एग्जीक्यूशन सडनली फेल नहीं होती है, क्लैरिटी धीरे धीरे खत्म होती है. रियलिटी ऑफ मिड लेवल सेल्स लीडर इज व्हाट? एवरी मिड लेवल सेल्स लीडर लिव्स इन द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट जोन ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. प्रेशर फ्रॉम द टॉप, नंबर्स तो करने ही पड़ेंगे. रेजिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द मार्केट, सर रेट ज्यादा है, मार्जिन कम है, स्टॉक पहले का बहुत पड़ा हुआ है, नया माल कहां से उठाएंगे. एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम द टीम इज दैट थोड़ा तो सर टारगेट कम करो, मार्केट की प्रॉब्लम समझो. Management wants numbers, customers want value, and teams want more clear direction now. So what happens exactly? Targets change mid-cycle, discount approvals increase. A retail sales manager in Delhi is told to push premium products one month, then clear old stocks the next. So the team works harder, but the direction keeps changing. New initiatives appear before previous one matures, and slowly direction becomes unclear. और जब डायरेक्शन अनक्लियर होती है, टीम एफर्ट बढ़ाती है, परफॉर्मेंस नहीं. अ मैनेजर आस्क्स हिज टीम टू इंक्रीज द विजिबिलिटी इन द मार्केट बट डजंट स्पेसिफाई वेदर टू प्रायोरिटाइज सुपरमार्केट्स, स्मॉल किराना स्टोर्स और मॉडर्न ट्रेड आउटलेट्स. Across organization, I repeatedly observe three decision distortions. Number one is incentive misalignment. When incentives reward quarterly survival instead of long-term growth, leaders optimize for numbers, not strategy. Revenue may increase temporarily, but stability disappears. People always optimize what you measure. Sales reps slash prices at quarter end to hit targets, but unknowingly train customers to wait for the next deal. So this is not the problem, this is a pattern. Point number two is reactive decision making under pressure. Leaders react faster than they think. Price changes, target shift, focus keeps moving. Pressure creates urgency, but urgency rarely creates performance. When Reliance Jio entered the telecom market with aggressive pricing, competitors reacted overnight. Customers stayed, but industry profitability suffered for years, and result is visible across the entire industry today. और यही decision instability का असली cost है. This is not a company problem, this is a decision pattern. Number three is priority instability. Every month a new priority, volume today, margin tomorrow, expansion next quarter. When priorities keep moving, teams stop executing strategy and start managing pressure. और जब team pressure manage करने लगती है, growth रुक जाती है. Big Bazaar repeatedly shifted between discount wars, margin recovery, and rapid expansion. Their strategic instability eventually weakened the business. Again, not a company failure. This is a decision pattern. Notice something common here. Organizations are not failing because people lack effort. They struggle because decisions keep changing faster than execution can stabilize. So what are the insights from Bhagavad Gita 2.53 here? Leadership interpretation, reference book is Kurukshetra to Boardroom. Bhagavad Gita point number 2.53 says, when intellect rises above confusion and becomes steady, clarity emerges. यह केवल spiritual line नहीं है. This is a leadership psychology. An unstable mind creates unstable decisions create unstable revenue systems. और गीता यहाँ पर meditation नहीं सिखा रही है, भगवद गीता decision stability सिखा रही है. When leadership thinking fluctuates, organizations mirror that instability. So the real question is, how do strong sales leaders create stability even when the pressure doesn't reduce? Because pressure never disappears. Leadership maturity is tested under pressure, not comfort. So the real question is not why sales teams struggle. The real question is, how do strong sales leaders create decision stability even when the pressure doesn't reduce? Because pressure never disappears, but the mature leaders learn how to remain steady inside it. And in the next episode, we will break down the three structural practices that separate reactive managers from the real sales leaders.